Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginner. Today we are going to learn how to add currency in Payoneer. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you can be signing upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly you need to open the Payoneer. So to open it, you just need to open the web browser of your choice. And when you are in the web browser, on the top there is the search bar. Just click on the search bar and type in the Payoneer. After you have typed it, just click enter in your keyboard. After that, it will show the source result, and in the first web source result, there will be official website of Payoneer. You just have to click on it and you have to log in. And this is the interface that is shown to you when you have successfully logged in. Now, in order to change the currency or add the currency, so firstly, in the left hand side, as you can see, there is the withdraw and transfer option. Just click on the withdraw and transfer option. And here there is the convert currency option right here. So you just have to click on the convert currencies option. And after that you just have to select the balance. I'll just select the Australian dollar and I'll just select the Great British Pound. So after that I just have to add the amount, and there are options to amount to transfer and amount to receive. You can click on anything and you can just click on the get rate option. So you can just decrease the amount or add the amount that you want and you can get the rate, and by this way you can add currency in the Payoneer. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.